Hello everyone, I'm Ritu Sharma. I'm PGT Commerce and having a 15 years teaching experience. Welcome all of you in Sahi Disha Academy, and today's topic is I will going to introduce commerce subject. So student, those who are in class 11th or those who have taken class 11th commerce. So why you have taken commerce? देर इज अ रीजन बिहाइंड कॉमर्स. आप सबने कॉमर्स ली है, इसके पीछे रीजन है. आप में से कुछ को बैंकर बनना है, कुछ को सीए बनना है, कुछ को चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट बनना है. आज मैं आपको इंट्रोड्यूस कराऊंगी कॉमर्स सब्जेक्ट विद द हेल्प ऑफ सही दिशा एकेडमी. सही दिशा से सफलता की ओर, एंड दिस विल टेक यू टू द सफलता की ओर. यू विल गेट सक्सेस एंड विल गोइंग टू गेट good marks in your examination. So let's introduce today's topic, that is introduction of commerce in class 11, and then later on I will going to tell you that what you will going to do to prepare for class 12, how you will going to prepare for class 12th examination. So let's begin our topic. Now this platform, this online platform will going to help you in each and every topic. This online platform will going to provide you deep explanation of all the topics. I will be taking your commerce section of BSc. I will going to take economics. I will going to take an accountancy. Through this सही दिशा academy, आपके जो भी concept है हम कोशिश करेंगे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कि वो सब clear हो. आपका जो numerical part है, there are various ways to solve the numerical. So I will tell you how you can solve the numericals with the help of सही दिशा academy. So मैं आपकी होस्ट एंड दोस्त आज आपका स्वागत करती हूँ. आप हमारे ये सही दिशा एकेडमी को ज्वाइन करिए और देर आर वेरियस प्रॉब्लम्स विच आई विल गोइंग टू सॉल्व एज अ टीचर, एज अ मेंटर, एज अ दोस्त. आपकी मैं हेल्प करूँगी आपको एक अच्छे मार्क्स लाने के लिए, गुड मार्क्स टू स्कोर गुड मार्क्स इन योर एग्जामिनेशन. सो नाउ लेट्स इंट्रोड्यूस द सब्जेक्ट commerce classes introduction. Today I will going to introduce commerce classes. See, in 12th 11th you have opted commerce, in 11th you have opted commerce after 10th. Now what is the reason why you have opted commerce? You want to become a chartered accountant, CA, you want to become company secretary, you want to become cost and management accountant, you can become a banker, you can become a financial analyst, you can become a business manager, or you can become a entrepreneur or a teacher. As well as we will going to help you if you are preparing for various government exams and competitive exam. We will going to help you to get good marks in your class 12th board examination, so that you can able to compete these examination, because percentage matters a lot. If you want to compete this examination, you have to score good marks in your class 12th. So today commerce classes introduction, this is about that what you want to become. I will also going to help you what you want to be, how you can achieve your aim. See, everyone is having an aim. Like my aim was to become a teacher, and now I am a teacher. I have 15 years of experience as a teacher. So I will going to help you in achieving the aim. How you will going to achieve the aim? For that, your concept should be clear. It should be clear. All the concepts should be clear, because same syllabus you will going to get in your post graduation, in your graduation also. So if the concepts are clear right now, you will able to solve, as well as you will able to give answers of so many questions yourself. Now class 11, see, for class 11 the main subjects for commerce students are accountancy, business studies and economics. So for class 11th, I know these subjects are new for you, as you don't have these subjects in your previous classes. So in accountancy you will going to learn how to make journal entries, how you can solve accounting problems, ledger, journal entries, which are the basic of these accounts. Next, business studies. business studies में आप पढ़ेंगे बिजनेस कैसे होता है, फॉर्म्स ऑफ बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, व्हाट इज द मेन एम ऑफ बिजनेस, व्हाट आर पब्लिक सेक्टर, प्राइवेट सेक्टर, एंड वेरियस थिंग्स अबाउट बिजनेस which you don't know. Next thing, economics. Economics is a subject in which you will going to study about Indian economy, about stats, about micro, about macro. So in economics, in class 11, you will going to have a statistic and microeconomics that you will going to study in class 11th. Now next, class 12th. For class 12th, the main subject are again accountancy, business studies and economics. Again accountancy, you will going to study about accounts. In business studies, you will going to study about management, and last, economics. This time you will going to have two separate subjects in economics, that is macroeconomics and Indian economy. So I will going to help you in these subjects. I will be taking your class 11th and 12th and will going to help you in these subject. अगर आपको ये एकेडमी, सही दिशा एकेडमी, अगर आपको ये प्लेटफॉर्म अच्छा लगा, अगर हम टीचर्स जितनी मैं आपके लिए मेहनत करेंगे, अगर आपको सब अच्छा लगा, तो आप प्लीज़ इस सही दिशा एकेडमी को ज्वाइन करिए. हमारे आगे जो हमारा मेन मोटिव है, वो हमारा मोटिव ये नहीं है कि यू विल पास आउट फ्रॉम क्लास 12th, एंड आवर मोटिव इज टू क्लियर द डाउट्स, टू क्लियर द कॉन्सेप्ट, so that you can achieve good marks in your examination, and it will not going to help you in just passing class 12, but it will going to help you in your future also to achieve your aim. Next, so we will provide easy bilingual explanation. I know few students are from state boards, few students are from CBSE board, and few students are from ICSE board. So जितना हो सकेगा, I will going to explain the concept in bilingual. I will use Hindi also, और मैं आपके लिए English भी use करूँगी. Second is chapter wise notes. We will provide you chapter wise notes, regular assignments, weekly test, doubt solving sessions, MCQs, case based question. Your previous year question we will going to solve here, your previous year question. Next, sample papers we will going to discuss of all the boards. Board answers writing practices. We will tell you how you will going to write answers, especially in board examination, to secure good marks in all the subjects. Because whenever we as a teacher are going for checking, so our main focus was to check that students are aware of the questions, students are aware of the answers or not. If the concept are clear, and it will be easy for you to get good marks in examination. So board exam answer writing practice, that is very important for you as a board class 12th. Revision classes before examination. So we will take your revision classes before examination. We will take a quick review of all the subjects, so that it will going to help you to cope up with your syllabus, to learn your syllabus within few days. So these are the things which we will going to provide you. After that, if you have any problem related to any concept, you are free to ask. You are free to ask that particular topic. We will going to provide you questionnaire session also, where you can put your questions. We will provide you notes also. The easiest way we will going to use to clear your concept. हमारा मोटिव ये नहीं है कि आपको सिर्फ पास करना है, हमारा मोटिव ये है कि आपके जो कॉन्सेप्ट्स हैं वो आपको क्लियर हो जाएं, ताकि in future after 20 years also, if you will get that particular question, then you will able to give the answer. So that is our main focus. So join this Sahi Disha Academy, and definitely we will do our best. We want your support as a student. I want your support. I want support of your parents also. And well, definitely I will going to help you in all the queries, whatever queries you are having. And I hope you will going to score good marks in examination. So the Sahi Disha Academy is the platform which will going to provide you all these facilities. You will going to have good educator who are having good teaching experience. They are working as a teacher right now. They are working as an evaluator. They are working as a teacher. They knows how they are checking the notebook. They knows how the students should write the answer to get good marks in board examination. So you can join us on Telegram, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp group. The links are available in the description videos, and there are few contact number also which we have given. through this contact number you can contact us. We want your support. If you will support us, we will definitely work together as a team. I'm not focusing on I will not going to focus in any particular child. I want your support from your parents. I want support from your friends. I want support from your family, and we all will work together and will definitely score good marks in board exams. Thank you and have a good day ahead.